Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chicken salad sandwich. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of diced celery. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried dill. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. Take your 2 cups of cooked chicken, whether shredded or diced, and place it in a medium bowl. Add 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise, ensuring it coats the chicken well. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for that essential crunch. Finish by adding your salt, pepper, and any other herbs to taste, mixing until everything is perfectly combined. With your chicken salad ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, whole wheat, sourdough, or white, whatever you prefer. Generously spread the chicken salad evenly from edge to edge. For extra freshness, layer on some crisp lettuce and a few slices of ripe tomato. Gently place the second slice of bread on top, and you're almost there. Finally, the best part, enjoying your homemade chicken salad sandwich. You can serve it immediately, perhaps with a side of potato chips or a fresh fruit salad. If you have any leftover chicken salad, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's perfect for a quick lunch later. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.